Let's review how to use the Professional Information Accordion on the Settings page of Toolkit.law. Select the Settings section, then scroll to the Professional Information Accordion. Once opened, you'll see several fields that help define your professional identity across the Toolkit.law ecosystem. Start by selecting your professional status, such as active or retire, etc. Then, enter your professional title, professional department, and professional company name. These details ensure that documents, calculators, and workflow tools reflect your correct role and professional context. Next, provide your professional company address, followed by your licensed profession, such as attorney, mediator, accountant, or consultant. Below that, you can enter your professional license and the professional license website, giving you a convenient reference point and enabling structured profile data across Toolkit.law tools. These details help Toolkit.law generate accurate headers, signatures, and professional identifiers when using documents and reports, etc. And that is how you use Toolkit.law's Professional Information Accordion.